Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be unboxing these guys, which they're awesome. Anyways, around the box there isn't that much information, but let's just open it up. Keep in mind that this is an unboxing video, so we're going to see exactly what you get inside the box, but that's about it. I do have a setup video, manual, and a review of these type of headphones. I've had these for a while now, and they work excellent with Apple products especially. Anyways, I'll just show you that there's actually nothing else in the box. I'm going to open up the secret compartment. It almost feels like secret. And right here we're going to have cables. So here you go. Most of you will not end up using these since these headphones are wireless, but you do have these cables. I'm just going to put them back because I'm just never going to use them anyways. And then in here we're going to see some manuals. So here we go, just basic manuals. Now, not everybody's going to see this Apple Music stuff. That's for free for 3 months. It gives you a trial. You could activate that or not. There's other stuff here. It's just more manuals. And last but not least, this right here, which again, I didn't use them for my last pair. I'm not going to use them for this pair either. And this actually I'm going to take out because you need this in order to charge these up. So here it is. These are the cables that come with right here, your headset. So these are the important ones. So if you guys have Android devices, it's going to be the same cable. And yes, you can use those cables in order to charge your headset. And there we go. There's really nothing else inside the box. So let's just open this up. And here are the headphones. It's actually a lighter gray than what I thought. I thought it would be a slightly darker gray. Let me just open this up. Now, this is not white, by the way. This is a beige type of color. Or if you guys have bought any iPhones in the past, and if you have that iPhone or even iWatch, that's called Starlight. So that Starlight color of bands and stuff from Apple, that would be almost the exact same thing as this color right here. So if you want to compare colors with Apple products, Starlight would be this color. I know a lot of you are watching this just to check out what the color is of the headset. Now this right here is a chrome finish, and that is gold. 100% gold. It's not that rose gold, it's 100% just gold. Here we do have to remove this. It's just a sticker, and then underneath it we're just going to see this. It's good to maintain the sticker at first if you don't know how to set these guys up, because it's going to tell you that's the volume, and then to answer you just press down. If you're getting a phone call or anything like that, you can also stop and start the music just by pressing the middle as well. And then on the other side, we're gonna see this. So this is from where you would charge these guys, so on the bottom. Plus, if you want to turn them on or sync them, the button will be right here. So again, I do have a video that shows you how to set these guys up and how to sync them up to different products. But here you go. This is exactly how they look like. It's a really nice design. This right here is also gold. It's the gold here, this color is a little bit different than this one. This one's a little bit more pronounced. This one's more of a Starlight type of gold. And yes, for those of you who wear glasses, as always, on top of here, this is always a little bit softer, and that's because they're always thinking of glasses, where on the sides, you have a little bit more tougher padding as well as the bottom of it. So the top part, that portion is always a little bit softer than these parts. So they make that on purpose for people who wear glasses, or even sunglasses for that matter. On the top, we are going to see the Beats logo as well. Now to show you a closer look of the texture, you can appreciate that. And as far as this unboxing goes, we are all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.